Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Oh, you gonna do it yet? Oh shit.
Richie, really?
You said it. You said my part.
No.
You said let's start eating, so I ate.
Let's go.
Oh,
Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Let's start eating.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back home in our little mini studio and we are ready to dig in. Today we have something that I like to call red pasta, and it's just a name that I made up because after you make it the pasta turns red, so that's why I call it red pasta. We're gonna dig in because we are hungry.
It's delicious.
And it has so much cheddar cheese on it.
Garlic bread.
Oh, good.
Said let's start eating, so I was eating.
Yeah, I see.
Pepper on my side, you know?
The other side?
Yeah. You know I gotta get that grace again. You know how the grace is already.
But wait a minute. How come you have a side but you always end up on my side?
Cause I eat too slow.
No,
So
slow?
yeah. So I gotta eat slower.
Oh, this is very good.
You know, Baby Ray's, one of the best barbecue sauce out there. What do you think?
I love that barbecue sauce. Love it.
Sweet Baby Ray's. Try it.
So this is made with sausage, ground chicken. It's also made with ground chicken, sausage, and the Italian spicy sausage, but it's chicken because since somebody doesn't eat pork.
That's right. Good though. Nice one.
Really good.
I was waiting for this.
And then we have some salad on the side.
I got the same.
And you know I gotta use my blue cheese dressing. Oh my!
What happened?
A Wolipa sauce salad dressing come out. I did not expect that.
I'm gonna put my salad right here.
Yeah, you put it right on there for real. Oh, it's not that much salad dressing came out, but it looked like it was.
Gotta eat the greens. The boss said make sure I eat my greens.
When you have when you have I'll put my bread down here too. You want to see the pasta.
Yeah. I'm seeing pasta everyone. Pasta is there, you know.
Yeah. The pasta look good, do it.
You make the best pasta, you know that, right?
Thank you. Because when you have pasta, you have to have like bread or some kind of salad.
A lot of my friends ask me, how you make that? Now they will know. I said it was a secret. I said now they will know how you make it, right?
I know.
So good. But it still won't taste the same.
It's always the same. Just like when I cook something that you make,
It tastes better.
it tastes. You're working for something today. So how was our road trip? Did you have fun on the road trip?
It was excelente. Couldn't ask for nothing better. We ate a lot.
We ate a lot.
A lot off camera too.
We ate a lot off camera. We did a lot of mukbangs in the car. It was our first time really doing it together in the car. So we had some ideas on doing more mukbangs in the car. So you can really see the food more. But you know, you live and you learn. And normally I only put ground chicken and the sausage in there. But sometimes I like to spice it up and add some Italian sausage.
It's good though. I couldn't wait till she finished it.
You know, somebody that's up on you.
Oh, tough one.
Or you could harass me in the kitchen if it's done.
I was. You see, I didn't even do my let's start eating. That's how hungry I was.
Oh my goodness. Use any meat you want. Ground beef. But I don't really like ground beef, so I use chicken. Excuse me, I'm going to pour my salad right here. You guys can see everything.
I know you like tomato. I trade.
Cherry tomatoes are good.
Yeah.
I like when they pop in my mouth, like burst.
Keep for you. I really got jerky. Remember? But the road trip was good though.
Yeah, we had really fun. We had a good time on the road trip.
It was real good. And the driving wasn't even seem that long.
I would love to just drive to different states, like rent an RV and drive to different states.
Just drive, right?
We've been to New Orleans, but really go to New Orleans again, go to Texas, go to California, go to New Mexico, go to Vegas, try the foods.
You weren't good enough.
And just do mukbang everywhere we go. Chicago, eat pizza.
Don't worry, I'm going. Food is involved. I'm there. New York pizza is the best pizza though.
Yeah. Oh, we didn't do a mukbang on that.
Yeah. We didn't. But I had a little recording clip though.
Yeah.
We couldn't get to run too much, so there was so much stuff.
There was so much stuff, so much food.
Pasta look, man. Famous red pasta right here. Everybody want it.
Guys, as good as it looks on camera, it tastes even better.
Man.
And that me I tell ya.
Sick. And I love it because you know why? I have a lot of meat in here.
That's why I started adding more meat, because of you.
I agree. Love the meat.
Watch yourself.
Watch yourself. Don't do it. Don't do it. So we conquered the wings. We did a
Panzerotti.
Panzerotti.
What else we did?
We did a dumpling shop.
Yum. Richard took some home since he was driving.
Oh, sure.
Well, why?
The outfit of the day.
Oh, guys,
You didn't even remind her.
check out my outfit of the day.
Chocolate milk. I like 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 chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back.
Guys, I hope you liked my outfit of the day. A little bit further in the video, we're going to show you how I made this red pasta. And we decided that we're going to, make a video on how we cook whatever we're eating that day, because sometimes there are things in the video that we want to show them, but because we don't want the video to be long, we edit it out. But this way, if we do a separate video, you can see from start to finish. Because some people want to see
How it's done.
how it's done from start to finish, or how you cut something up. Even though my husband free hands, I use a cutting board, but
Pasta nice,
honey, I love mukbang.
I love mukbang. Food is there. Just call me. You heard? Come on, nice man.
There's nothing like traveling. Oh my gosh, look at the cheese. That looks
cheese.
so good.
Don't do it. I know. Give him back.
I can't with you. What are you doing there? Why you over there teasing the people them?
They're gonna see it in the video. The way they see in the video, they're gonna tease themselves too. They're gonna, yeah. I see why he was doing that. It's delicious.
There's nothing like going on a road trip or traveling. But the best part is coming home. I mean, you have fun, but you do miss your house. You do miss your home. You know? It's certain. What do you think?
Yeah. Everybody love their home.
After how many days?
Shit. 5 damn out. But we always have fun though.
We always have fun.
Big up to Sipping Sexy JJ. No it.
That's all she wants to hear.
Yeah, man.
It's a lot of pasta, no? Because you don't see me almost full.
I can see. I'm gonna pasta this. I'm clear at my side, huh?
I eat a lot of pasta.
You ain't eat no lot of pasta. You eat a lot of pasta. You ain't eat nothing.
I eat a lot of pasta.
No way.
Hey.
You're not eating no pasta.
Well, pasta does fill you up, so. And we had a lot of pasta on here.
You ain't no pasta, girl.
I used to make the same thing, but with mozzarella cheese. And then one day I didn't have any mozzarella, so I had cheddar and I threw it in there, and it's been cheddar ever since.
They gave it a kick.
I gave it a kick. And sharp cheddar or medium cheddar is good too.
I don't care what kind of cheddar you want to put in here. As long as it got meat.
You see what I'm
As
talking
long
about?
as it got stuff in there I could eat.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be making something that I like to call red pasta. I don't know why I came up with that name, but I guess it's because the pasta is red. But these are the ingredients that you're going to need if you decide to make this dish. You're going to need some sausage, and you can use pork, you can use turkey, it doesn't matter. You're going to need some chicken, ground chicken. You can use turkey or you can use ground beef. It does not matter, but I will say the ground chicken is better. And then I have some spicy Italian sausage that is chicken, because you guys know my husband does not eat pork. And then I have some garlic bread to eat on the side. I also have some sharp cheddar cheese. You can use mild cheddar or you can just use regular cheddar. That's okay. But I like the sharp cheddar because it gives it like a little tang. And then you're going to need a jar of traditional tomato sauce, or any sauce, anyone that you like to use, ragu, pragu, whatever the other name brand is, whatever. It doesn't matter as long as it's tomato sauce. And then you're going to need some shell pasta. You can use penne. And there's another one that you can use, but I recommend using something that has those, you see how it has the ridges? You want to use a pasta that has the ridges, because the sauce is going to attach to the pasta. You're going to need some salt. You're also going to need some seasoned salt, some Everglades, some black pepper, and you are going to need some sugar. Okay, when you're making pasta, you do want to add sugar because it'll get rid of the the tang taste. Okay, so these are the ingredients, and I'm going to show you how it looks when I put it together. And then also, what we're going to do is we're going to take this chicken sausage out of the casing. Okay, and then I am going to slice these up in circles or half circles, and I'll show you how it looks when I do that. Okay. Okay guys, so this is how you want your sausage to be sliced up. Just cut it into half moons. It just makes it easier to eat. And you're just going to drop them into the pot and start to brown them. When you brown sausage, for some reason it brings the juices out more in the sausage, I think. You're just going to brown it. You don't want to put it on high heat because you don't want it to get too dark. quick. So just put it on low heat and let it do its thing. And then what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to season my ground chicken with some Everglades. Just like that. I'm also going to season it with just a little bit of salt, because we are going to add salt in the food later. And then we're going to season it with, excuse me, some seasoned salt, just like that. Okay, perfect. And you're going to knead it in, knead all the seasoning in. You want to work it all the way in. And then when the sausage is finished browning, you're going to take it out, and then you're going to add this directly to the pot. Don't wash the pot out, don't throw the oil away, use the same pot so that it can get all the flavor from the sausage being cooked, okay? Okay guys, so this is the ground chicken, and I put this in right after I took out the sausage that I browned. Now you do want to use a spoon and just mash the meat, because you don't want to have big chunks of meat in your red pasta. So you just mash it, you know, with the back of a spoon, or even get a fork, okay? And you continue doing that until it's cooked. Now right here I do have the Italian chicken sausage. You do not need to season this. This is well seasoned already. Just wait until this has cooked out a little bit, and I'm going to continue mashing it, and then I'm going to add the Italian chicken sausage to it as well. Okay guys, so this is how you want it to look after you've added the Italian sausage with the ground chicken. You see how small the pieces are? It's not these big old gigantic pieces. Then you want to take your sausage that you already fried up, and you want to pour it in it and mix it together. Now I know that some of the pieces look dark, but we like it like that. And then when the pasta sauce is added and it's cooked for a while, for some reason that darkness goes away. So then we add some of the tomato sauce, like maybe like a 3/4 of the container, and you mix that up. That's boiling over here. And you do want your pasta to be a little al dente, because it is going to be cooking in the pot and in the sauce, in this sauce pot, okay? Okay guys, so this is how you would like, or you would want your pasta to look, your pasta sauce. Excuse me. And you're just going to mix it up. Let it simmer. Let it cook. Let it be one. Let everything come together and just simmer. Now, this is the most important step of this red pasta. It is going to be my secret ingredient, white sugar and salt. What I do is, and this is depending on your taste, if you don't want any sugar in there, you don't have to. It's going to taste just as delicious, but it's going to have like a tang taste to it, and I don't like that. So what I do is I take a tablespoon of sugar and I sprinkle it on in my pasta, and I continue doing that, and another tablespoon. It seems like it's a lot, but it's a lot of pasta. And then right after that, I add some salt. As you guys know, when you are working with something sweet, if you add salt, it'll bring out the sweetness and it won't be so sweet, if that makes sense. So that's what I do. Then I mix it up and I let it simmer for like 5 minutes, and then I come back and I taste it. And if it's not the taste that I'm looking for, I add a little bit more sugar and a little bit more salt. And I tell you not, guys, my family freaking loves this red pasta. Like, my kids are obsessed with it. My son, once I make a big batch, he eats it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'm going to show you the final result once everything is put together. Okay guys, so this is how you want your pasta to look once you've added the pasta and you mix everything up. And I did actually end up adding the whole bottle of pasta sauce. And you see how the pasta absorbed, not the pasta, yeah, the pasta, excuse me, absorbed all of the sauce. That's what you want. So you don't want to rush this. Now I do have my cheddar cheese that I used in my, what is this thing? Whatever, a blender or whatever. And I'm just going to sprinkle some cheese over it. And this right here is going to be the bomb. Let me just pour it. You just want the cheese to be able to melt fast. and nice and delicious. Okay, once this cheese melts on this, it's gonna be so good. All right, guys, we'll see you on the mukbang. You know, Vince is gonna have this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner tomorrow.
Love this.
My son, he eats this until it is completely done.
You do good at this too when you love pasta.
I love pasta. Red pasta.
Shanice red pasta. Your boss.
Boss.
You can't tell, man.
Boss, I run now.
Boss, I run.
Quarantine over.
Yeah, quarantine over. Boss, I run now. So you can't boss now, because boss, I run. But you know?
It's really good, honey.
Tell you. And my friend them requesting it and they say, yo, how'd you make it? But damn, now they gonna know. They don't have to ask me again. I used to tell my friends them, I can't give her the recipe.
You don't even know it.
I don't know it.
All you know is
I know they
food
eat
is
it when
ready.
they cook. Yeah.
That's right.
I said, I don't know them. I can't give her. Now they gonna know, but hear what? Still ain't gonna taste the same.
I'm full, honey. You're not full.
Who you talking me?
Yeah. Who else in the room?
Eat, I eat, man. No, jerk. We are working now. Boy, you eat enough pasta.
You have enough.
You see? You think I was paying when I said I wanted the food? I'm hungry.
He must have asked me 50 million times if the food is ready. You know, I ordered the Dame Dash butter sauce. I saw that he had posted on his channel that his sauce was available again. And I ordered it, so I'm excited. I can't wait till it comes, and that's where we're gonna do a seafood boil. I feel like I want to wait until that sauce comes, you know, because when you haven't had seafood in a while and you taste it, and then you taste the sauce, I'm excited about that sauce. And it looks totally different than beloved sauce. I mean, don't say you don't care as long as it's
I don't
sauce.
know nothing about sauce, but then you bring come, we try it out. It's alright. Nothing can go in the food. So big up. Dame Dash.
Dame Dash.
Dame Dash. Oh, that was okay.
Oh. Man, when the sausage is a little bit burnt, and then you...
I told you that. When it's
so
burnt,
good.
just like how when you eat a sausage you buy from the street and they make it, you want it well done.
Yeah.
That's how we want it. So I said, make it a little, see? This is what we're talking about, look.
Right there.
Right there? You see that look?
You see how it's burnt a
Dark.
little bit? You think it's burnt, but it's not.
Nah.
And when you bite into it, it's so good.
Nice.
Wow.
I told you that.
Okay, Chef Richard in the building.
Yeah. I know.
Gonna be some tips.
I know, because you know what? Because of me, I eat it. I know.
What are you laughing at?
Boy, you ate all the pasta. You ate one pasta.
We can rewatch the video because I ate a lot.
Yeah, in the video show that you do eat a lot.
Yeah. I ate a lot.
Damn it, man.
And pasta fill you up.
I was hungry. It does feel you, but I was hungry. I told you that I was hungry.
Yeah. We just got home yesterday and
Did some yard work today. Yo, today was hot.
it was hot today.
Oh my god.
Why was it so hot like that?
It was 100 degrees.
It looked like it was raining a lot in Florida too. In Jersey, the first day we got there, it was so cold. We was like, what the hell is this? We're in June.
Freezing.
And then the other days warmed up and it was beautiful.
You done? You finished or you done?
I'm done. I'm finished.
I'm gonna finish this too.
Let me eat this little pasta right here. It look like it's speaking to me. Eat your thing, man. You been out rush here.
Eat the salad, Anime.
Eat the cake. Anime. I said eat the cake. I want no copyright.
I ever said something? I said people play worse than that in their video.
I know.
Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, because it was real good. Subscribe and comment. You know that already. First lady, that was delicious.
Thank you, my love. Guys, we are done. And I just want to say that I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys for another mukbang, and we always appreciate your support. You just don't know how much.
True.
You guys have a great day. Bye. Bye.